It was just yesterday at Citi Field, the Mets' home park in Queens, that they tied their record for the longest winning streak. After years of watching their team struggle, the fans are excited.
A Mets fan is very dedicated. We had a lot of hard years, but a Mets fan sticks to it through thin and thin.
In 1986, the Mets won the World Series. They haven't won since.
I was around in 1986, and it's been a long time coming, so we feel great about it.
The Yankees know something about winning the World Series. They have done it 27 times. They have loyal fans, too. But even their fans had some praise for the Mets this season.
But they're playing great this year. Yeah. You know, so that's great. That's something to cheer about.
While the Mets have the best record in baseball right now, the Yankees have won 6 of 7 and just beat baseball's powerhouse Detroit. And Yankees fans have no doubt about who is going to win.
I believe the Yankees are going to beat the Mets, definitely.
But who do Mets fans think is going to win?
Mets.
Oh, the Mets are going to win.
Let's go Mets!